Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be exploring verbs through simple sentences. We will learn these verbs conjugated in the present tense, first body. For each verb, we will first cover a sentence using a masculine conjugation, and after that, a sentence using feminine conjugation. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. To say, I'm climbing a mountain. As a male, say, אני מטפס על הר. I מטפס, am climbing, on, הר, a mountain. To say, I'm climbing a ladder. As a female, say, אני מטפסת על סולם. I מטפסת, am climbing, on, סולם, a ladder. To say, I'm walking on the street. As a male, say, אני הולך ברחוב. I הולך, am walking, ברחוב, on the street. To say, I'm walking by the river. As a female, say, אני הולכת ליד הנהר. I הולכת, am walking, ליד, by, הנהר, the river. To say, I'm picking flowers. As a male, say, אני קוטף פרחים. I קוטף, am picking, פרחים, flowers. To say, I'm picking oranges. As a female, say, אני קוטפת תפוזים. I קוטפת, am picking, תפוזים, oranges. To say, I'm eating a delicious cake. As a male, say, אני אוכל עוגה טעימה. I אוכל, am eating, עוגה, a cake, טעימה, delicious. To say, I'm eating falafel in a pita. As a female, say, אני אוכלת פלאפל בפיתה. I אוכלת, am eating, falafel, בפיתה, in a pita bread. To say, I want to visit Israel. As a male, say, אני רוצה לבקר בישראל. I רוצה, want, לבקר, to visit, בישראל, in Israel. And as a female, say, אני רוצה לבקר בישראל. אני רוצה לבקר בישראל. To say, I'm watching the view from the balcony. As a male, say, אני צופה בנוף מהמרפסת. I צופה, am watching, בנוף, at the view, מהמרפסת, from the balcony. To say, I'm watching a movie. As a female, say, אני צופה בסרט. I צופה, am watching, בסרט, at a movie. To say, I'm using a hammer. As a male, say, אני משתמש בפטיש. I משתמש, am using, בפטיש, with a hammer. To say, I'm using a saw. As a female, say, אני משתמשת במסור. I משתמשת, am using, במסור, with a saw. To say, I understand the meaning. As a male, say, אני מבין את המשמעות. I מבין, understand, את, המשמעות, the meaning. To say, I understand what he said. As a female, say, אני מבינה את מה שהוא אמר. I מבינה, understand, את מה, what, שהוא, that he, אמר, said. To say, I'm preparing breakfast. As a male, say, אני מכין ארוחת בוקר. I מכין, am preparing ארוחת בוקר, breakfast. To say, I'm preparing the bag for the trip. As a female, say, אני מכינה את התיק לטיול. I מכינה, am preparing את התיק, the bag, לטיול, for the trip. To say, I'm returning from vacation. As a male, say, אני חוזר מהחופשה. I חוזר, am returning מהחופשה, from the vacation. To say, I'm returning from work. As a female, say, אני חוזרת מהעבודה. I חוזרת, am returning מהעבודה, from the work. To say, I drive carefully. As a male, say, אני נוהג בזהירות. I נוהג, am driving, בזהירות, carefully. To say, I drive responsibly. As a female, say, אני נוהגת באחריות. I נוהגת, am driving, באחריות, with responsibility. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.